Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to A to Z tutorials. In this video we will learn what is routes, models, views and controllers. First of all, we have a look at models. What are the models? Model represents domain specific data and business logic in MVC architecture. It maintains the data of the application. Model objects retrieve and stores model state in the persistent store like a database. Persistent store like a database means database is a store in which data is stored, and model takes that data from database and operates some operations, and wherever it is used it takes the data in that location. Now we look at views. What are the views? View is a user interface. View displays data from the model. As I tell you, model takes the data at some location which is view. Model takes the data from database and displays it in views. View displays data from the model of the user and also enables them to modify the data. View is a user interface where you can see different text boxes and combo box and other input type data controls. You can modify data, add new data from views in database through models. So view is a user interface used to modify or add new data in database through models. What are the controllers? Controller is one of the most important component in an MVC application, since it acts as a coordinate between the view and the model and also handles the user requests. The user's request is received by the controller. Now controller is the thing which takes data from models. Model takes data from database and secure it, and controllers interact between model and view. All the code of .NET C# written in controller that controls and the flow between model and view. Now what is routing? Routing is a mechanism in MVC that decides which action method of a controller class to execute. Without routing, there is no way an action method can be mapped to a request. Routing is a part of the MVC architecture, so ASP.NET MVC supports routing by default. Routing tells the application which page have to run, which page has to execute at what time, and it saves the name of the controller and name of the page, main page that we have to run. In this video I had just give you the introduction of these four terms: routes, models, views and controllers. In our next video I will perform some actions on these all the four terms, all the four folders, all the four files, and then you can understand these four terms more efficiently and more clearly. Thanks guys for watching this video. If you like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.